What it do, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another video. So this is part 3 of trading with AI. If you already subscribed to the channel, you already know that we started this journey just a month ago right here, right? So this is the first video whereby I showed you how exactly you can create a RoboForex account, and also how exactly you can create AIfinex account and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So far, we've been doing great. I'm not gonna lie. And if you haven't watched part 2, and I can see that part 2, got a lot of views. So you guys liking these videos, thank you for supporting and stuff like that. Make sure you keep on liking so that we're gonna reach out new audience and stuff like that. But so far, main AI is doing great. And today we also made some profits and stuff like that. We're gonna withdraw all profits that we made from this AI, and of course, I'm gonna go through my MT5 right now. You can see this is a clean video, no editing whatsoever, because I just want to update you guys, you know what I mean? So we're gonna also mirror my iPhone right here so that we can go through my MT5 and we're gonna break down what's really happening with this AIfinex and whatever is going on, you know what I mean? So without any further ado, guys, let's get right into it without wasting any time. So as you can see right now, our balance is 353 USD. All right, so we made a profit of approximately 53 USD right now. But remember, also last time we made a profit of at least 90 USD, right, with a capital of 300 USD. So far trading with AI is very, very good, because since we started trading with AI, we never really paid attention to charts and stuff like that. And you already know that with this AI, it only trades on gold, all right? Only on gold. So it doesn't trade on NASDAQ, whatever, and all that, only gold. So if you're already a trader, you already know that gold has been going crazy, and almost all the copy traders and service providers and stuff like that really lost a lot of money. A lot of people expected gold to go down and ended up going up and stuff like that. Good thing with AI, it analyzes charts and stuff like that in real time and is always watching. That's another advantage of using AI, you know what I mean? So even though a lot of copy traders and all the service providers and stuff like that, people have been really getting smashed out left and right, with our AI right here, we've been doing good. This week we managed to make at least also some profits. This is actually like 30% and stuff like that. So we're gonna go through pretty much anything in this video without wasting any time. All right, so let's break down. You already know that we started trading. All right, we started trading with AI on the 19th of January, right, 2026. This is when we started trading with AI. All right, so far you can see that it has made profits of 131 USD with a capital of 300 USD. All right, so this is the balance that I have in my wallet. As you can see, 353 USD. And remember that we also withdrew some profits in our previous video, because every time I record a video trying to update you guys, you know that we withdraw some profits, all right? And that's the whole point, because on this channel we always find ways to make money with crypto and stuff like that, and I always upload what is working for me, you know what I mean? So let's see what this AI has been doing. Let's see status history and all that good stuff. So you can see that when it's weekend, it paused itself. It doesn't operate, and it continues from Monday up to Saturday, somewhere there, you know what I mean? On weekends it doesn't trade. You already know the forex market, all right? And you can see that yesterday it made 1 USD, and the past 7 days 7 USD, and then the last 30 days it has made at least 107 USD. We're only talking about profits here, you know what I mean? Like, it has never made a loss, you know what I mean? So you guys should give it a try. And if you want to know the whole process on how exactly you can set up this AI and also give it a try and stuff like that, make sure you watch your first video. And in this video, I showed you how exactly you can run this AI and how exactly you can create an account with RoboForex and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So So far so good, nothing is crazy. But I also want to show you one important thing, right? Because you already know that for AI to operate, we need to get some next points, all right? In our previous video, the market wasn't really crazy and stuff like that. We managed to spend at least 20 next points, right? And then we bought more 20 next points. And you can see that this time, this AI has only spent at least 9 next points, right? And we still have a bunch of next points in our account, meaning that AI can still use these next points to run for more couple of weeks. You know what I mean? So, and another thing, if you want to take this AI game to another level, then you can open multiple accounts, and also you can also add more accounts on your RoboForex account and connect to the AI and stuff like that. And by doing this, you're gonna be fully automated without you needing to go back and watch charts and stuff like that, doing all the technical analysis and stuff like that. As you can see, my journey has been very exciting because AI is doing everything for me, and I only spend 300 USD, and we're making profits every week. And these are things that you want to see, and I'm gonna keep on updating you guys every time so that you can you can know what's really happening behind the scenes and everything. So as you already know that with AIfinex, it's only profits as you win. If you lose, it doesn't take anything. It only takes next points if you win. So as you can see is whenever we make profit, for example, we make 0.0163 profit, and the AI excluded 0.00326 in next points, So in other words, AI, you only pay fee to AI using your next points when you profit. So when you make profits, that's when you pay some fee. If you lose, it doesn't deduct anything, you know what I mean? So it's almost like you're spending nothing anyway, because these are your own profits and you're only giving these profits to AI and you keep the rest, nothing crazy. For example, right here, you can see that this wasn't a loss. Then it didn't deduct anything right here, So that's also the other things that you guys will have to pay attention to. And as you already know that you can create more accounts right here, you can just click right here and then add another account, and the AI is gonna keep on trading for you. So this is my wallet. I still have like 3 USD left in here. So I don't think I'm gonna buy more next points in this video because I've got enough next points already right here. You know what I mean? By the way, guys, the links to AIfinex is gonna be in the description below as well as RoboForex link is gonna be in the description below as well. Just create your account, verify it, and make a deposit, and that's going to be your capital to get started with AI trading. All right, just follow all the steps that I said in this video, and then also watch part 2 for more results and stuff like that. So this is part 3, you know what I mean? So right now I just feel like we're gonna also take some profits right here, and we're gonna keep at least 305 USD in our accounts, just so that AI is gonna keep on trading. And then later in another video, I'm gonna give you an update, and also I'm gonna create another account, and we're gonna see how this account's gonna perform. You know what I mean? Because I'm trying to run 2 accounts right now. I want to see full potential from trading with AI. I tested it for how many weeks now? It's been like 4 weeks, all right? And we can see that since then we've never made a loss. What if we create more accounts and see what's going to happen? And that's all I'm trying to do from today onwards. You know what I mean, guys? But also, guys, just let me know what you think about this journey. Have you given it a chance? Do you think this is the right move to do right now? You know what I mean? Because so far so good, everything is going smooth, right? So before I withdraw some profits, I also want to go through my MT5 and see how this AI has been doing in real time. So I'm just gonna open phone mirroring right here real quick, right? And let's do this right here. Let's mirror this iPhone right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my MT5. All right, MT5 right here. Here we go. All right. Oh, sorry about that. So you can see that this AI is running in real time on my MT5. And always remember that your funds are always with the broker. And what we did is we created an account with AIfinex and RoboForex, and then we connected our account to RoboForex. So our funds are fully safe right here, and no one has access to our funds. And this AI is only trading on our account. It cannot withdraw, it cannot deposit and stuff like that, as you can see, right? The link to AIfinex is going to be in the description below as well, so that you can just check it out and check out everything right here. So our funds are right here, very, very safe. All right. So here is my MT5, as you can see, right? And let's go to charts, right? As you can see, this AI has been opening position, closing position, depending on the market. This week has been very, very crazy. If you ask anyone who is trading on gold, it's gonna tell you what has been really happening. You know what I mean? So as you can see, this is 4 hour. Let's change to at least five minutes or 1 minute, just so that we can really see what's really happening, how this AI is doing. As you can see, you know, it opens position. Whenever market is going down, it's gonna short, you know, or sell, and then make profits as market is going down. And whenever the market is going up, it's gonna buy and make profits when the market is going up. And that's really, really cool. And good thing about it, you don't even have to know how to trade. You don't even know how to analyze charts and everything. All right. So that's good thing about this whole thing. So another thing is I also want to show you the history. As you can see, this is the profits. And remember, our account is in cents. That's why it's showing right here like 35,000. But then if you divide this by 100, and then you're gonna get the real balance, and this is it right here, you see. So let's check some history, what has been happening. So you can see this is the what we withdrew last time, and you can also see the profits right here. You can see everything. You can see our balance right here, and you can see that it's always closing position in profit. All right. For example, you can also see the time right here. You can see the time, you can see everything. You can see that this was the sell trade, and this is just history of what has been happening. Of course, it takes some losses here and there whenever it predicts that this trade might be a big loss and stuff like that. That's when it closes a trade in a loss. But also you can see that if it's a big trade and it's a winning trade, it also closes in profit and everything, you can see. So far overall, you can see that it is closing a lot of winning trades in profits compared to losses, right? As you can see, we have got a lot of winning trades compared to losses, and this is what we really want to see, you know what I mean, as traders, because you don't want to have a lot of losses, because that's when you're gonna lose all your money and stuff like that and get liquidated, you know. And this is also a reason why we're surviving in this market regardless of volatility and everything. All right, so this is just history of what has been happening, you know what I mean. And we're being transparent, and just to show you all the deals, right? These are all winning trades, guys. These are all winning trades with this AI. And here are the few losses that we got right here. But if you keep scoring, you can see that it's closing a lot of winning trades in profit. So if you like these videos, guys, smash that like button for YouTube algorithm, as you're really helping the channel. And I'm gonna give you an update as soon as possible, and we're gonna have more accounts and let AI trade for us, as you already know what we do on this channel. So let's enjoy the journey, guys. Let's keep on subscribing and leave a like button, you know what I mean. So this is the history, guys. You can see I've got a lot of green winning trades compared to losses, and this is what you want to see. And currently is also trading. All right, so don't freak out whenever you see like these numbers in negative. Just hold on, just wait. The AI knows exactly what it's doing, and after all this position is going to be in profit, and it's going to close in profit because it has already analyzed, it has already done the technical analysis, all the difficult job that you had to do. And this is the third video of trading with AI here with me, Arthur Heavy Crypto. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and withdraw some profits right here. I will leave 300 USD, and then maybe in another video we're gonna deposit more cash and create another account, and then we're gonna see how this AI is gonna perform, all right, with 2 accounts. Let's just do that real quick. All right, let's get these profits. Woo! So let's get these profits, guys, without wasting any time. And remember, all the links gonna be in the description below. Though, if you're struggling, make sure you reach out to me or just leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be happy to assist you with this journey. You know what I mean? And your funds with the RoboForex. I do not give financial advice, and I do not take any funds from anyone or give financial advice or anything. I'm just showing you what works on this channel, right? You know what I mean? So let's do some profits right here. Let's take some profits. So in the next video, I'm gonna give away some free next points to you guys. Just make sure you create an account with RoboForex and stuff like that, and then contact me. I'll give you some free next points, and you're gonna be able to use those next points to trade. You know what I mean? That's my personal gift to you guys. You know what I mean? So just create an account on AIfinex and also make deposit and also get some capital on RoboForex, and then link the accounts and then reach out to me. I'll give you some free next points, and then use those free next points to trade with AI, and then enjoy the journey with me, Arthur Heavy Crypto. You know what I mean? Alright, guys, so as you can see, we made a withdrawal right here of 45 USD. In our previous video, withdrew like 80 USD, and our account is now back to 300 USD where we started. So I'm gonna give an update, you know what I mean? That's gonna be in the next 2 weeks, and I'm gonna show you how exactly our account is performing and everything, trading with AI. And also personally, yeah, I promise you that I'm gonna give you guys some free next point so that we can give it a try and stuff like that. You know what I mean? When you saw it, just DM me, and we're good to go. Let's trade with AI because it's way better than a human being. Human being can make a mistake and stuff like that, and AI can make a mistake, and of course is able to correct itself. You know what I mean? That's why our accounts are always in profits and stuff like that, and we never made a loss since we started trading with AI. You know what I mean? So I think payment has already been made because I just requested like 1 minute ago. So let's just double check on my Binance. All right, let's do this quickly. Phone mirroring right here. I'm just gonna search for Binance. All right, and check. Here you go. As you can see, we already have this 44 USD in our account right here. All right, can also check. Here you go. I've already received it. So this is it, guys. My name is Arthur. Just wanted to let you know, guys, about trading with AI and give you an update how we're going to be doing from today onwards. And of course, this is part 3 of trading with AI. I'm going to leave a link to a first video of trading with AI in the description below as well, so that you're going to know how exactly you can link this AI to your account. And I'm also going to leave part 2 whereby we made some profits of at least 90 USD. This was after 2 weeks later. And also this is part 3. So thank you for watching, and therefore, guys, I'll see you on video. Love and peace. And always remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before doing anything. This video is just for entertainment purposes only, and a journey of me trying to trade with AI. But other than that, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace, and cheers, guys.